So I think there's an earthquake happening right now. I was sitting down in the, I don't know if you can see that. I'm probably gonna get my stuff and go. I'm sure everything's okay, but look. Everything's moving. You see the rods over there, the green rods? They're moving. But I'm gonna get my stuff and go. Just in case. I was just sitting there doing some work and I felt my chair wobbling and I thought it was just me, but then I noticed my computer was moving too, so well, but like everyone's out. Construction workers heading back. Interesting though, I was looking online and the earthquake was felt in Panama and Ecuador as well, so yeah. So thankfully, that's all it was. Now I'm gonna get back to work.